Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you once again to class. And here we have a very lovely set of equations. And we are going to be using a very fast method or approach to find the values of x in this equation. But before we go right into the solution, I would like to say that we shall be using what we call antidotes of mathematical operations to solve all the questions we have on the board. By mathematical antidote, we mean something like word and opposite in English language. For instance, if you say plus in mathematics, the antidote of plus is minus, so they are word and opposite. If you say times in mathematics, the antidote is what? Division. They are word and opposite. If you say square root, the antidote is to square. They are word and opposite. So whenever I have plus, I'm going to use minus as the antidote. Where I have minus, I'll use plus as the antidote. Same thing to multiplication. Their multiplication and division are antidotes to each other. Same way square root and square are antidotes to each other. So let's look at the first question. The first question says 5x minus 3 divided by 2 equal to 11. Now, since we are looking for x, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to say this means 5 times x, right? But because we are looking for x, we are going to put it like this. X times 5. They all have the same meaning. Then minus is here. Then 3. Everything divided by 2 equal to what? 11. Now, this is how we are going to use the antidote. The antidote for what? Division is multiplication. The value here is 2. The antidote for minus is plus, and the value is what? 3. The antidote for multiplication is division, and the value is what? 5. So let's go. If you say 11 times 2, you will get 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. So our x is equal to 5. Now let's test to see if we are correct. Put 5 here. So this becomes 5 times 5 minus 3 over 2. 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 minus 3 is 22. Then divide 22 by 2, you get 11. Let's look at the second question. 3x plus 5 divided by 7 equal to 2. So let's go again. This becomes what? X times 3. Then this is plus 5. Then all divided by 7 equal to 2. So let's go with the antidote again. The antidote of division is multiplication. The value is 7. The antidote for plus is minus. The value is 5. The antidote for multiplication is division. The value is what? 3. So let's go. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So here x is equal to 3. So let's test our value to see if it's correct. This is 3 times 3 plus 5 over 7. Let's see if it's equal to 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 equal to 2. So it means the value for x is correct. And let's look at the third question. Now, look at this question. It has a square root, and inside the square root are what? We have x squared then plus 7 inside the square root. So to solve this is what we are going to do again. You write x, just put just one x, then x is squared. So just put the symbol here, leave a space, squared, then plus 7, then everything that is x squared plus 7 is in a square root, so put the symbol for square root. Then we have plus 5 all equal to 9. So let's go with the antidote. The antidote for plus is minus, value is 5. The antidote for square root is squared, so just put squared there. Then the value is 7. The antidote is what? Minus 7. Then this is square. This antidote for square is square root. So let's go. This is 9 minus 5, that is 4. There's 4 square means 4 times 4, that is 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. And when you take the square root of 9, you are going to get 3. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. Why are we saying plus or minus 3? We are using plus or minus because the value here is what? Squared. Right? So we have to consider the negative value as well. So let's test our result with both answer. If x is plus 3, put the square root. Plus 3 means 3 squared plus 7, then plus 5. Let's see if it will give us 9. Positive 3 squared means 9. Then 9 plus 7 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. And 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The same way if you put a negative in the square, in x, then you plus 7. Minus 3 times minus 3 will give you 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. And square root of 16 is 4. And 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So we'll see that using this method is very efficient and fast in finding the unknown than algebraic equation. I'm going to give you some activities to do to be sure you understand the use of this method. Pause this video so that you can screenshot or solve. Then in a few seconds I'll come for the solution. Here we have these 3 questions and let's provide solution to them. The first one says 5x minus 8 everything over 3 equal to 4. So the unknown should come first, so this become x times 5, then minus 8 everything divided by 3 equal to 4. Then let's go with the antidote. The antidote for divide is times, the value is 3. The antidote for minus is plus, the value is 8. The antidote for times is divide, the value is 5. So let's see what x would be. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the value for x is 4. So let's test. This means 5 times 4, which is 20. 20 minus 8 over 3. 20 minus 8 is 12. And when you divide 12 by 3, you will get 4. So value for x is correct. The second one, square root of 2 times x divided by 2 equal to 2. Interesting, right? So take x, multiply 2. Everything comes in a square root. Put the square root. Then everything divided by 2 equal to 2. There goes. Let's start with the antidote. Division antidote is what? Multiplication. The value is 2. The antidote for square root is square. Right? The antidote for multiplication is division. The value is 2. So let's see what x will be. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 4 square is 16. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. Let's see if we are correct. 2x means 2 times x in square root. So 2 times 8 is 16, all divided by 2. Square root of 16 is 4. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's correct. Let's look at the third one. All right. Now the question is 5x minus 6 in square root, then times 4, all divided by 2 equal to 6. So let's go. The variable that we are looking for is x. We have x times 5, then minus 6, all in square root. So put the symbol for square root, then times 4, all divided by 2 equal to 6. So let's go with the antidote now. The antidote for divide is times. The value is 2. The antidote for times is divide. The value is 4. The antidote for square root is square. The antidote for minus is plus. The value is 6. Then the antidote for times is divide. The value is 5. So let's go with this solution for x. 6 times 2, 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then square 3. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the value for x is 3. So let's test in the question. So this is 5 times 3 is 15. Then minus 6 in square, all in square root. Then multiply by 4. Let's see if it will give us 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. And square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Which is what's correct. So, you can see that this method is very efficient. I'm sure you like this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, like the video, share it with your friends and colleagues. And the more reason why you have to subscribe is because in this channel, we treat acts like this, maths challenge, cutting across SSC questions from different parts of the world, Olympiad maths challenge as well. And any question you can think of, just drop it in the comment section. We are going to look at it together and provide a solution to it. Bye for now.